as rallies emerge and new evidence comes out this morning. Calls for the resignation of Sanford's police chief grows. Triggerman George Zimmerman still a free man this morning. So we're going to talk with our buddy Judge Alex joining us via Skype about all the legalities surrounding this case. Judge Alex, good morning.
Good morning, Kia. How are you?
I am awesome. Tell me, are you surprised they haven't arrested George Zimmerman yet?
I'm getting more surprised by the day. You know, when I first heard about it, I wasn't shocked because unfortunately we see incidences like this, not necessarily with a 17-year-old boy, but we see incidents like this much more often than we should because Florida changed its law about 6 years ago to what's called a stand your ground law, which eliminated the prosecution's ability to really go after people in situations where they shot somebody who was unarmed, because at the end of the day, the only version you're getting is the version of the person who survived. So you don't get to hear the victim's version. And so the defendant, the shooter, can basically say anything happened. And they don't, under Florida law, they do no longer have a duty to retreat like they used to have. So it becomes harder for the police. Now, the more I hear, the more I go, wait a minute, what was going on in this investigation? The police apparently didn't send a homicide detective to the scene. They sent a narcotics detective, which is that's crazy. I mean, they're
especially since they sent a narcotics investigator and then also did not test George Zimmerman for alcohol or drugs, which is standard operating procedure, I'm reading, in all homicide cases.
That is critical. You definitely do that. They also didn't search his car, which you definitely do. You know, there were a lot of things that fell through the cracks here, and I'm not sure if this department is just untrained, but they have a homicide detective, so it can't be that untrained.
Yeah, the homicide detective's on call 24/7. But anyway, okay, going back to the whole stand your ground self-defense claim, George Zimmerman pursued Trayvon Martin. He followed him as proven in the dispatch tape, and let's listen to this 911 call.
They always get away.
Are you following him?
Yeah.
Okay, we don't need you to do that.
Do you think more responsibility should be placed on the dispatch?
No, dispatch did absolutely nothing wrong.
Okay.
The dispatcher, first of all, doesn't necessarily have authority to order anything. The dispatcher can tell them, you know, don't do that.
Judge Alex, we appreciate it. Thank you.